Allen Vanguard is a really interesting company, from the manufacturing of bomb suits to anti-explosive devices to helping companies from a professional services basis make sure that any threats can be managed on a going forward and proactive basis. At Allen Vanguard, in terms of our information security, it was important for us to make sure that we knew where our data was, that we could manage our data, yet we could provide the necessary information to our clients in a proactive, real-time fashion. In order to do that, it's quite complicated, so we had to make sure that we had the proper managed services in place, vault structures, and an overall process and a set of technologies that could keep intruders from entering into our secure data, but allowing the right customers to get at the data at the right time.
Palo Alto Networks is the only company that safely enables applications. They are the only platform that can perform at scale, that can perform in a single policy, and that perform where the application is needed, and that is on full stream.
The way in which Allen Vanguard is using the Palo Alto technology, as well as overall the managed services businesses, we're using it to make sure that we understand where our technology is through our overall data loss prevention plan. As well as on a weekly and monthly basis, we're taking a look at the data and statistics that are coming in. So we can constantly tune our network to make sure that when intruders are coming in from certain organizations, we can on a real-time basis react to that and make sure that our information remains secure. In terms of the benefits of the Palo Alto box and the technology, it's provided us more flexibility and the ability to deliver on our customer requirements. For example, a lot of our customers need highly secure information in real time. We had to make sure that the way in which we delivered the technology could be regulated, could be managed, and that it could be delivered in a fashion that was conducive to the customer needs. Concurrently, we also need to make sure that all the regulations on a corporate basis were being met, so that internal security requirements and the needs of our engineering folks were allowing them to do the overall design in a secure-like environment.
Security technology is really an enablement tool to be used by the intelligent security professionals that are there to protect your business. They really need to be empowered with tools that give them the visibility they need to make good security decisions for you.
We really enjoyed working with Spiders. A couple of things that they brought to the table was not only did they understand the Palo Alto technology inside out, but they also understood and helped us work through our processes. One of the challenges in introducing any kind of technology is ensuring that all of the silos within a typical organization, engineering, operations, sales, manufacturing, and marketing, are working in harmony. And when you're introducing a technology like that, the process strategies that Spiders brought to the table help us introduce and implement the technology with minimum disruption to the corporation.